Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this iPad Air. Let's turn it over. It is an iPad Air 5th generation Wi-Fi, 64 gigabytes. Okay, so Apple products always come really coolly packaged. It's got this flap here. We're going to tear that off. Looks like it goes all the way around it maybe. Nope. So that just gets the cellophane off. We're going to take the cellophane. All right. Let's see exactly what comes in this. All right, you're just going to lift straight up now. I don't want to, I've held these things off to the side before and that thing will fall out. So lift this straight up, take your time. There's the iPad. There's this thing right here. It can fall out. It's not in there, but there's a little indentation for it. All right. So yeah, we just open it like this. These things are always very well packaged. So there it is, iPad Air. Wow, it looks nice. I'm gonna put it right there. What else comes in the box? Looks like some instructions, stickers, a little instruction manual. But we do get a charger and a USB-C cable. So this is USB-C to USB-C. That's gonna output USB-C, and this is what's gonna charge it right here. USB-C. Now this is the 20-watt charger from Apple. Here's the model number A2305. You can plug it into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 2.22 amps. And it does say it's USB PD. And again, even on this charger, you can feel there's a piece of paper. We can get the cable out. Yeah, these things are always very well packaged. But let's get it all out. There's the cable. So the cable is 39 inches long. I think this is, oh yeah. There's nothing else that comes. They don't even want you taking this part off. Here's the instructions. It's got a touch ID for so this button up here will get your fingerprint. Eventually it'll read your fingerprint. Again, this is where we're gonna charge it. Looks like we got volume right here and a power button right here. All right, let's just measure it overall. 9 3/4 that way. Width is 7 inches. You know, it's not very thick at all. Maybe a 1/4 inch thick, maybe a 1/4 inch thick. Oh, that's magnetic. That's for the pencil, I think. Yeah, I think that's for the pencil. It doesn't come with a pencil, but if you have a pencil, it'll magnetically stay right there. All right, let's plug it in, see how much charge it comes with. Plugging it in, we'll just see what happens. All right, looks just like when you plug it in to charge it, it says hello. It's got 89% charge up here in the top right-hand corner. All right, I'm gonna unplug it. So there's the camera. And this is called the iPad, the Smart Connector. The iPad Air Smart Connector. So I hope this unboxing helped. Thanks everybody for watching.